Hi, good morning. This is Zachary Sweeps. Just been round to a customer's house. Well, not just been round. I'm at a customer's house at the moment. They lit a fire, and it wouldn't draw, and this is why. Look at this. All this was up in the chimney. Absolutely clogged. The old bird nest there. So yeah, it's very important, really, that before you have your first fire on your chimney, it's always a good idea to have them swept first. As you can see, this could be a fire risk on a biblical scale. Always make sure that you get your chimney swept at the beginning of the season before you light your fires. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than what it's coming out on the picture. But yeah, amazing.